អត់មានកម្មវិធីអី special ទេគ្រាន់តែតនេជុំគ្នាញ៉ាំអីគូរូបលេងចឹងទៅហើយបើខ្ញុំនេះវិញឲ្យទៅលឺគូរូបនឹងទៅចូលចិត្តហ្មងព្រោះចូលចិត្តគូរូបតាំងពីក្មេងឥឡូវជប់ voice over ឲ្យស្ដាប់ real ហ្មងតើ
gonna do
the sand. I know. How cute. Gosh, it's been a while since I've seen it.
There's only one Vanna.
That's my duty.
My duty is to make sure you guys are good.
បងរ៉ា
Thank you.
sexy lady
Sexy lady right there, Jamie right there.
We got actually. So you live like a fight.
You're gonna hurt somebody. You know what? No, it's not even wrong. Sometimes I'm just kind of go with the flow, you know. I don't know. And then paint.
Oh, Lala would have liked this. I should have just brought her so you could take her home. Poor Lala. We could have brought Ellie too.
Yeah.
Ellie's at badminton.
នេះទាំងអស់គ្នាយើងនាំគ្នាគូផ្កានេះនៅក្នុងថោនេះ
I can't. We just enjoy the ride down with the alcohol.
We went to drinks and schools. I should have ate more.
Right? And then I want donuts. And French toast. Yeah, that's how it goes.
We bought a whole box of donuts.
I bought a whole box of donuts for the hotel
And
and I
Vegas?
ate that, so you better not waste it. You better get on that. Yeah.
រូបរបស់ខ្ញុំរួចរាល់ហើយដូចអត់បងប្អូនអត់ដូចទេស្តៀង